Many farmers use chemical fertilizers to enhance crop production. But continued and intensive use of chemical fertilizers destroys soil structure, making soils hard and more vulnerable to soil erosion. The use of chemicals also kills earthworms and beneficial microorganisms in the soil.
या जमिनीला रासायनिक खत वापरून उत्पन्न येत होतं आधी चांगलं. त्याच्यानंतर
Earlier, I used chemical fertilizer for my crops and we got a good yield. But after their continuous use, the soil became hard and yields declined. Chemical fertilizers also contaminate the water sources and negatively affects the quality of agricultural produce. Now I use organic fertilizer only. My crop is free from diseases and yield has improved.
चांगल्या प्रतीचे निघतात, बिनरोगी निघतात. कायम रासायनिक खताच्या याच्यामुळे वावरांची प्रत कमी झालेली आहे. उत्पन्न घटत चाललेलं आहे. सारखं रासायनिक खत टाकून.
For healthy crops, you need a healthy soil because a healthy soil contains many good microbes and earthworms. Good microbes make the soil loose and help to make the soil richer and more fertile and also protect plants from diseases. You can easily make liquid or solid organic biofertilizers from locally available ingredients, as we will learn from farmers in India.
आम्ही रासायनिक खते महाग असतात त्यामुळे
By using homemade organic biofertilizer, we save money. Biofertilizers increase good microbes in the soil, which helps to increase earthworms. This biofertilizer makes our crops stronger and produce more.
To prepare liquid biofertilizer for half a hectare, you need 180 liters of clean water, 10 kilograms of fresh cow dung, 5 liters of cow urine, 2 kilograms of flour from chickpeas, gram or another pulse, 1 kilogram of jaggery or unrefined sugar, 1 handful of healthy soil.
आम्ही जीवामृत तयार करत असताना दाट सावली वडाखालची माती किंवा जंगलातली
We always add 1 handful of soil. We collect the soil under the banyan tree or from the forest because there is shadow and good microbes are available in that soil. Some farmers collect the soil from their farm or farm bund. However, if in the past you've used chemical fertilizer or pesticides on the crops, then do not use that soil to make the organic solution, because in that soil the good microbes are all dead.
Use 200-liter plastic barrel or a tank to prepare liquid biofertilizer. Keep the barrel in the shade and pour the clean water into the barrel.
आम्ही जीवामृत तयार करण्यासाठी प्लास्टिक ड्रमच वापरतो.
We never use a metal container and stirrer as they easily rust, and this will harm the good microbes. We keep this solution in our shed because direct sunlight kills the microbes.
कारण सूर्यप्रकाशामुळे त्यातील जीवाणू मरू शकतात.
Add the fresh cow dung and cow urine. Fresh cow dung has many different good microbes and cow urine provides nitrogen to nourish them. Dissolve jaggery or sugar in 2 liters of water and add this solution to the barrel. Mix 2 kilograms of chickpea flour in 2 liters of water and add this liquid to the barrel. Sugar and chickpea flour help to feed the good microbes. Finally, add the handful of healthy soil. Stir the solution well with a wooden stick and cover the barrel with a gunny bag. For 1 week, every morning and evening, stir this solution for 5 minutes. Stir clockwise and anti-clockwise to thoroughly mix all the ingredients.
जीवामृत तयार करत असताना आम्ही काय करतो 200 लिटरचा एक ड्रम घेतो
We put 180 liters of water in a 200-liter drum. If we fill the drum to the brim, the foam of gas produced by the fermentation of the dung and chickpea flour could come out of the drum. That's why we don't fill the drum completely.
त्याच्यामुळे आम्ही थोडं एक ड्रम थोडं कमी पाणी कमी घेत असतो त्या ड्रमामध्ये.
After a week, your biofertilizer is ready to use. Apply it at the vegetative stage during flowering and pod or grain formation. After rain or when there is some moisture in the soil, you can pour the organic biofertilizer in between the rows of your crop. Every 15 days, pour 1 liter of this solution around each fruit tree to enrich the soil. You can also mix this solution in the irrigation water. This is easiest when you have made the solution in a barrel with a tap. If you don't have such a barrel, you can slowly pour the solution into the irrigation water. The full barrel is enough for half a hectare. In case you do not have enough water, you can prepare solid biofertilizer instead. To prepare solid biofertilizer for half a hectare, you need 100 kilograms of fresh cow dung, 2 kilograms of jaggery or unrefined sugar, 2 kilograms of chickpea flour, 2 liters of cow urine, 1 handful of healthy soil. Place a tarpaulin under the shade protected from the rain and spread the fresh cow dung on it. Add the sugar, chickpea flour, cow urine and soil. Thoroughly mix all the ingredients with a shovel and keep it covered with a gunny bag for 24 hours.
आम्ही हे सर्व पदार्थ 24 तास एकत्र
We keep this mixture for a day under the shed because it needs to ferment. This will increase the number of good microbes.
चांगल्या सूक्ष्मजीवांची निर्मिती होते.
The next day, spread out the mixture on the tarpaulin and dry it in the shade. Turn this mixture over during the day so that everything dries well. After drying, break the lumps into powder using a wooden bat. Store this powder in bags in your shade. You can store this solid fertilizer for up to 6 months. Before applying, mix an equal quantity of solid biofertilizer with mature compost or vermicompost. For half a hectare, apply about 200 kilograms of this mixture at the time of land preparation. You can also add 1 or 2 handfuls per planting hole at the time of sowing or planting vegetables. For fruit trees, add 4 to 5 handfuls at the time of planting. Two weeks after transplanting or 21 days after sowing, for half hectare, you can apply 50 kilograms in between lines. Solid biofertilizer enriches the soil and provides all the nutrients required for crop growth. It is rich in nitrogen and valuable microorganisms which naturally enhances soil fertility. Let's review what we have learned. Chemical fertilizers kill beneficial microorganisms and make the soil hard. Homemade biofertilizers make the soil healthier and more fertile. Prepare liquid biofertilizer with cow dung, cow urine, raw sugar, chickpea flour, a handful of healthy soil and water. Mix these ingredients in a plastic drum with a wooden stick. Keep the drum in the shade and cover it with a gunny bag. Every morning and evening, stir this solution for 5 minutes. After 1 week, apply 1 liter per fruit tree. You can repeat this every 2 weeks. Or apply it through irrigation water to your field crop. You can also prepare solid biofertilizer without water. Mix fresh cow dung, cow urine, sugar, chickpea flour and a little soil on a tarpaulin. Keep this covered with a gunny bag for 24 hours in the shade, protected from the rain so that it can ferment. The next day, spread the mixture to dry. Turn it over during the day for even drying. Break the lumps into powder and store it in bags in a shade. Before using solid biofertilizer, mix an equal quantity of mature compost or vermicompost. Apply this mixture at the time of land preparation and once more at the time of sowing or planting. With the help of organic biofertilizers, you will improve the health of your soil, save money and produce better crops.